Hi, Thunder. Eat, guys. Did you eat, Dustin? What time is it? No, not yet. Why you do? What time is there? Oh, you need to breakfast. It's AM. Hi, Nico. So yeah. Hi, Joker. Very nice. Hi, K44. Why nice? It's fish. Better knock next time. So sad. Hi, Birdman. Is it hot dog? Maybe I can win hot dog. Uh, it's so salty, Dustin. Hot dog. No. Do you eat Joker or no? You need to eat, guys. All of you. Go eat. Maybe I'm blogger because what I will choose, Justin. What I will choose. Don't I don't pick it. Why? You need to eat, guys. You need to eat, guys. All of you eat. Birdman, thank you. Dustin, don't send that. Don't send that. Much better if regular gift that I will receive. No one, no, no choose like that. Like like bread man. Yeah. It's like the kiss me. Oh my god, Junker! You surprised me, Joker, ha? Daniel! What's update? Mm. They leave me. They leave me, guys. Birdman staying. Maybe doesn't go in another girl. Right, Birdman? Ano oras ka punta dito? Ay, hindi ka pala papunta. Wala pa L.